I'm at Astoria Park in Astoria, Queens. Let's go. There's tons of things to do here in Astoria Park. There is a big old track over here. You can work out, as you can see. Behind me, there's also a skate park. And just beyond that, there are basketball courts. Up that way, there are tennis courts. And there's a lot of grass to lay down and sunbathe. It's a nice big swath of open parkland here in Astoria. Astoria on 30th Avenue. And now that the mayor has indefinitely postponed indoor dining, you're going to see what a lot of these restaurants have done now that they've been allowed to make space out in the streets, or I should say the parking spaces. So they've introduced a lot of outdoor dining, additional dining spaces out where parking usually is, if they don't have outdoor seating as well. And they've gone ahead and made a lot of it really nice too. I'm going to keep showing you some other places. Have been really innovative, and some of these places, like this one right here called Gyro World on the corner of 36th Street and 30th Avenue, I believe has more seating now outdoors than they ever did indoors. Around the corner and over here as well. And if they don't have outdoor dining, they are still doing takeout and delivery, of course. Here's another couple on the corners, the Grand and Via Trenta. Both of them have a lot of outdoor seating as well. Sugar Freak, Louisiana cooking here. I gotta show you the blend too, where they're taking it to new heights. These guys are hardcore. Here, they're actually building out whole dining areas here where cars are normally parked, with foliage and everything. It's a lot of work. But they're gonna be able to seat all these people here too. I think a lot of this is a result of the mayor's announcement of postponing the indoor dining. Now we're going to come on to one of my favorite restaurants here on 30th Avenue in Astoria. It's called Smoke. It's a barbecue place. My favorite are the burnt ends. Yeah, we're gonna get into these burnt ends here. These are really like meat candy. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Mmm. Fatty and smoky. So good. Oh, perfect marriage. Barbecue and beer. Nice.